Hello friends, welcome to my channel with me Vandita. In this video I'm going to show you this baby boot or baby socks, or you can say baby shoes. So let's start. I'm using these two color wool. With this I'm using 7 number crochet, which is 4 mm. So let's start. We will start with the slip knot, or you can start like this also. We will start to make foundation chains. Make this chain with loose hand. This chain should not be so tight. Okay, for this shoes, for this socks, we will make 25 chains. Okay, you can increase the chains according to your size. Which size are you making? So I'm making this socks for 1 year baby. I have completed my 25 chains, and now we will start to make double crochet in every chain. First chain we will skip, and from second chain we will start to make double crochet. Second double crochet in the next chain, like this. Completed my first row, which is double crochet basic line, chain 1, turn over. We will start again to make double crochet in every chain. I have completed my second row also. Chain 1, turn over. We'll make 2 more rows, same double crochet basic line. They will become total 4. I have completed my 4 rounds, which are same double crochet basic line. Now I will make a knot and cut it here. Now these double crochets are 24. Now I will divide these into 3 parts. I mean 8 double crochet, this is the one part, 8 double crochet, this is the second part, and this is the third part, which is the middle part. And our second part we will start to make after 8, from 9th double crochet. We will start to make double crochet like this. 1 double crochet, second. We will make 8 double crochet. I mean the second part we will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 more, 6, 7 and 8. Chain 1, turn over, this is my first round, and this is second and last third. We will make 3 rounds of double crochet basic line of 8 double crochet. I have completed my 3 rounds of 8 double crochet. Now chain 1 and we'll make a knot again. And we'll cut it here. Your pattern will look like this. Now from the first double crochet we will start to make another double crochet. First double crochet, second. Now we'll make double crochet on every chain or every stitch like this. See here. First 8 double crochet we'll see in every chain. Now we'll start from here. Like this in every stitch. In the corner we'll make 2 double crochets in the same chain or same stitch. Again 2 double crochet in the corner in the same. Like this. Here we will make only 1 and 8 double crochet in every chain. Chain 1. This will look like this. Now I will make double crochet second round in every chain. Turn over. I will make these 4 rounds. This is my first and this is my second. After that I will make 2 more rounds. Completed my second round also. It look like this. There should be some little curve because in second round I didn't increase any chain or any double crochet. I just made double crochet basically and in every chain. Now I will do 2 more rounds. I have completed my 4 rounds and now it's time to join this side. This is my front side and this is my back side. I just hold like this and we'll join. Join with single crochet. like this. This is my last stitch. Chain 1 and we'll make a knot here. I will hide this thread, this extra thread like this. Now I will join this side also like this with single crochet. Join chain 1, cut the thread, and again we'll hide this extra thread like this. Now it's time to see the front side. Ready. You can increase these rounds. You can make 4 or 5 if you want to make a boot, a long boot. Now you can make this boundary with same color or the other color. Now I'm doing boundary of this. Chain 2, round, chain for 1 double crochet in the same chain, skip 2 double crochet and make single crochet. Chain 3, 1 double crochet in this space. And skip 2 chains and 1 single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, make double crochet from this space and skip 2 chains and 1. See again, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet from the back space and skip 2 chains and single crochet. Last, and join with the first chain 1. Like this. This is totally optional. This is easy to wear to a baby, so that I made this. To take double wool and start to make a foundation chain. According to your size, you can make this how long you want. And last, this is my last chain, and I will start double crochet from the second chain. 4, this flower. Make 8 or 9 double crochet in the same chain and last make a chain, make a knot. Now from this side, from the front side, I will start to make this. Flower I will make here also. Or 7 or 8. Last chain 1, make a knot. Now it's ready. I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Keep watching.